it always impacts you in one way or the other at some point. Okay, you may not know it, feel it, whatever it is, but it does. Because the Federal Reserve interest rate impacts everything. It impacts if you want to go borrow money to buy a car or buy your house, or any number of given things having to do with financial equity markets. It impacts the stock market, the crypto market, all that kind of stuff. The Federal Reserve impacts the gold market. Okay, it does. So with that, look, it's typical what we see right now. We see a sell-off. Everybody knows that the Federal Reserve is not going to raise the interest rate tomorrow. They're not going to do it. They're not going to do anything. They're not going to lower it. They're not going to raise it. They're going to keep it in check. Why? Because they're, quote, waiting to see the impact of the Iran-U.S. conflict, the price of oil on all of our lives as it relates to CPI, Consumer Price Index, PPI, Producer Price Index. Those are inflation reports that come in every single month. And guess what? They're going to start, they're showing a rise because of the cost of oil and petroleum. Okay, I mean, it's everything. It's impacting everything. In distribution, the trucks that move up and down the highway, moving everything that we all use every single day in our lives to survive, to live, to whatever. A lot of it has to be moved via locomotive, train, trucks, you name it. A lot of that, the vast majority of that, takes petroleum, oil, fuel, all that. Okay, and with fuel prices being, with oil prices being higher, it trickles down. With that, all we got to do, guys, is ride this out. Don't sell. Don't take a loss. Don't let your emotions step in. All that kind of stuff. I've talked to you guys about this in plenty of videos. I have, okay?